How's it, everyone? Welcome to BSMD Collection. Another day, another pack, another booster pack at the beginning of the week. And of course, we're going to be opening a PRBO1 and let's see what we can get. So far, no luck. If you tune in from my last video, we did pull Goldie Roger manga. Not manga, but alternate art. Let's see what we can get with this one. Of course, the Dawn in the back. Let's do this. 5. Dellinger. Event. Stage. Card. With a leader card Sanji. Betty. And, oh, nice. We got a Trafalgar from SC10. Not too bad. And let's see what we got for the Dawn card. Nothing much. Kikomura. Shoots. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time. Aloha.